Good morning guys, John here, back at the Living with Big Cats program again in South Africa. So this morning I'm going to be showing you some of the interactions and some of the enrichment activities that we do with the animals.
This morning we're going to run some lines on the lure, which is pretty much what you would do with running greyhounds at a greyhound race. These guys do it for fun. We also, it's very good for their exercise, for obviously their condition, to keep muscled and keep toned. And also it's fun for them, they enjoy it. It's an enrichment program for them. Ready?
Hey boy, hey.
The lions had a good run, and yes, the lioness was actually the better runner. So now we're gonna go get Jasmine and Pi. They're the two rescued tiger cubs that you guys saw in a previous video from last time I was here. Get them a little bit of exercise.
Whenever you're ready, please can you come this side? Let's go down this side.